Good morning, boys. You just got up and dressed, but before you come down, you want to sit in the rocking chair and read together. Rock, rock, rock. What are you reading? Can you show us your book, Emmett?
Book.
Oh, what's happening in the book? What page is that? What are they doing?
Green.
Caleb, what is that? H is for?
One.
Is that the hockey page?
Moon.
Of the Canada 1, 2, 3 book, which also has hockey on the cover.
Moon.
Very nice young men learning about Canada first thing in the morning.
Nemo.
Fish, yeah, Nemo's a fish.
Birdie.
Yeah, Birdie's outside.